How to return Shein items. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Shein on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on Me at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, simply click on My Orders, View All. After you click on View All, you'll find all your orders. Now, to return, simply click on the order and at the bottom you'll find Return. There is a time period which is 10 to 12 days or 8 to 12 days only. That is the time frame you can return. After that, you won't be able to. And then select the cancellation reason. And if it's other, you can add why do you want to return and press on the return option. After the review and accept the return, it will only be processed. And this is how to return Shein items. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.